Hello. This video is going to show you how to use basic grammar in use, or マーフィーのケンブリッジ英文法. This is your standard text for all first-year students, and we hope that you will use it at least till second year, if not through to the fourth year. Now, in English we call it basic grammar in use. BGU for short sometimes. We also call it Murphy or Murphy in Japanese, right? It's not Murphy no hosoku. Murphy is the name of the person. He wrote the book. It's a very famous set. It's been around for over 40 years, and it has been translated. This is a translation of the third edition, of the English version. So, but this is probably the first Japanese version. Okay. The basic layout of the units are 2 pages. Okay. The left page is an explanation, and the right page is the exercises. So you want to read and then do. Okay. As you can see, this is the first unit. So as an example, this is unit 1. I am, you are. Okay. You can see on the left side there are 3 alphabets, A, B, and C. So this means there are 3 main points to this unit. What you want to focus on is the main explanation at the top. Read the example sentences. Example sentences are very important. Sometimes they give you a picture. I'm afraid of dogs. Very scary. And then do the exercises. The exercises usually start with an example. So she is, she's, it's not, it works, it isn't, etc. So do the exercises and then check your answers. Now you also want to check down here. For example, they give you more units to do. So here they recommend Unit 2, Unit 38, Unit 65. But they also tell you about maybe a appendix. So this is appendix, they ask you to go to appendix 4. So let's go to appendix 4, and you see at the back on page 238 about the shortened forms. Okay, it gives you more explanation. It's really good to read. Okay, and it will help you to understand. It might even give you more points, like this one here telling you these are regulars. Who's your favorite singer? What's the time? There's a big tree in the yard. My sister's working in London. Paul's gone out, etc. But if you don't know where to start, do the diagnostics test,診断テスト. Do read the explanation first, and then do the exercises. They tell you what to do when you make a mistake. If you get for example, number 3 wrong, then you want to go here to Unit 3 and Unit 24. And this would help you. You can use this to study. So as you can see, Unit 3 is all about 現在形, the present tense. And Unit 3 is ing. It also told you to go to Unit 24. Alright, so asking you to look at the be, have, and do 現在と過去形における助動詞. And if you need to study more, you can always go to the back, go to the index. For example, if you need to look at words like and the, you can go to these units. Right? It will tell you all of them. Sometimes they'll give you one with a letter like this, something, somebody, ATC. Okay, when you see the C, so you go to ATC. For example, this is ATC. What they mean is ATC. Okay, and this is explanation of. Alright. And it'll be helpful for you. There is also a supplemental section. Okay, and these will give you more information, even more information. As you can see, this is an example. The test is give you extra units to do for bidoshi. Okay. I'll give you an example. The windows open. The windows are open. Lisa happy. Lisa isn't happy. Right? You can see Lisa is not happy. And finally, I do recommend that you read this. It's for you. Pretty much the explanation of what I just gave you is here in Japanese. Okay. And it will help you to get through and improve your English. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for listening.